here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a ATC share, some ATC cards that I've created for a swap. This is hosted by My World in OKC. It's a Christmas ATC swap. And we have until December 11th to get our ATCs in Tammy's hands, and then she's going to send you 2 back. So let me show you guys the ATC cards I created to send to Tammy. Channel name My World in OKC, and it will be linked, of course, in the description box down below. So this is my first ATC card, guys, and for those of you who don't know, it goes 2.5 inches this way and then 3.5 that way, and these fit into those pocket letter sleeves. So this is the first one. It's just the Santa. I got it perfect on the card, and I just jazzed it up with some pom-pom trim and blings around there and a little banner with joy. And then on the flip side, I did include all my information here, and I thought that came out really cute for my first card. And then this second card here, I used some paper on this side that was gifted to me in a swap last winter, and I was able to cut out a portion and use my own with the back. They just went together, the pinks and the greens. I just thought it was so perfect. And this embellishment was also made for me. And yeah, so I kind of repurposed it and put it onto this ATC card. And these are my cards for Tammy. ATC cards, for me, they're so much fun to make because they're fun, fast, and simple, and it's a great way to send all of that information of yours to share with your swap partner. So that's what's great about these, guys. That's my opinion. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, that's it for today. Just a quick project share, my 2 ATC cards and a VR. So hopefully you go by and check out Tammy's channel, My World in OKC, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!